This is No BS Reviews, and today I'm reviewing and installing the BRAVEMA saddlebag mounting hardware. So this is what they look like. Hold on. I already took them out of the little bag, but this is what they look like. They're black. They're pretty nice. I already have some on here, but they're like silver or whatever, and I wanted them to be black. This is the little tab with the bolt, with the nut that comes on, that comes with the kit. Normally, they like these, I think it's like 14 and up. A couple years, they had these kinds of locking tabs on there. Actually, I don't know about the newer ones, but I know at least from 14 and up, they did have these kinds. These suck. So, as you can see, they're very different. These are much more heavy duty. So, let's install this. Obviously, you need to take them off. Take off the originals. So, that's like if you still have these, you just take off the lever or the knob. It's a little on there. Bags are pretty heavy because I have the speakers on there. Okay, so I removed the bag just because it was in the way. But a very easy way to get these off, if you have this style, whatever, is just to stick something flat and then just pop it off. It's the same as the second one. Taking those off because they didn't fit with the threads on the new ones. So. But this is what those look like, the old ones. Pretty heavy duty. So they have a little lip. I don't know if you can see that. They have a little lip on the inside, and that's what gets stuck on the back end of this. Same goes for this, for the new ones. See that little like raised lip right there. So then yeah, the nut's gonna go towards the back, and then this is gonna go here. Simple as that. Just like that. That's it. So back. So these they can go anywhere. It doesn't matter. You can put this one on any one of the bolts. There's no real like direction needed or anything like that. Oh, this one's a little bent. Still should still work. Just like that. So then you get your little lever, obviously it'll one bag. Yeah, that's it. Just goes into place. Put the bag back on. Just go straight through. Line it up. And then just turn. Cool. It's a little hard on there. Straighter. A little finicky, but it's good now. And just like that. Anywhere. Close it back open, that's that. It's gonna be the same process for the ones in the back. Same thing. Just comes back. So yeah, that was the install of these BRAVEMA. They're not as good as other ones I've had. Like these were really great, but these were like 50, 60 bucks. I don't remember what brand they were. But these are really, really good, like really smooth. And although these are like just as heavy duty, I think they're a little thicker than these. But for whatever reason, they're a little finicky to screw on sometimes. But once they're on there, you're not gonna have any problems. And I mean, I have these loaded. They're the extended saddlebags, so a little higher up here than here. Plus the speakers and the lights on the back. Plus, I have it full of stuff in here. This is a battery pack, air compressor, and stuff like that, and no problems whatsoever. You know, the bags are on there; they don't move or anything. So, yeah, they're worth it. They're like about $32 right now on Amazon. So, if you want to swap out from these old basic ones, then I mean that's gonna be a good step up.